Hi friends, welcome back, and we are getting into a new playlist called Tabla. This is a very interesting, exciting and very innovative tool that people use for data analytics and business analytics. This is really very easy to use, and we are going to go with a lot of sessions to understand the usage of the tool, as well as the learning will be very smooth and interesting. So welcome again. We will learn how Tabla can be used. Tabla says that in their website, they say this very clearly: data analysis should be about asking questions and not about learning a new software. It's perfectly right. We should not spend a lot of time in learning a new software. Instead, we need to have a tool which can help us in analyzing or gaining insight from the data that we have in hand. That's what Tabla says. And it's really a wonderful thought, and we need to go with it. Well, what's Tabla? Very simple. This is growing, very intelligent, easy to use data visualization tool. This is used mostly in the business intelligence and the data industry. The raw data that we have in hand is of limited usage, and Tabla definitely helps us in getting it better and getting it understandable. The data can be presented in the level that everybody can understand. Even a non-tech person can understand what the data tries to convey you. The data, as long as it's just the data, you cannot infer anything out of it. The data, when it gives you more inference, when it gives you more details about what it tries to convey, it becomes useful. As long as you are just keeping it raw, it is of no use, is what I try to convey. No coding required in this Tabla tool, and most importantly, this has got a lot of features, like you can present the data in the form of chart or map or table. You can create your own dashboards, and without much trouble all these can be done. And most importantly, there is no coding involved. And this just drag and drop features which are available here are amazing, and we are going to learn them together. It's all very easy to use. Let's understand how do we download and how do we enable the installation process. The official website and the download options are to be discussed. Multiple products come out from Tabla. They are all listed in the official website www.tabla.com, and once you go into it, it's all very easy for you to access. And when you want to install it, you've got two options available. The first option is try Tabla for free. It's free trial for 14 days, or you can buy it. And if you are a student or a teacher, you stand an opportunity to get the Tabla free license for 1 year. I'll talk about it as well, and it's very interesting. Well, this is how it looks like when you get into the landing page of Tabla. You can see that there are multiple products that come out from Tabla. They are Tabla Desktop, Tabla Server, Tabla Online, Tabla Prep, Tabla CRM, Tabla Public. And we need to just have the access for Tabla Desktop, and that is sufficient for us to learn the complete features that this tool can provide us for data analytics. And overall, if you see, this is a very easy process, and it will not take a lot of time for us to install even. So Tabla Desktop is the one that we are going to go about. Can we install it? Yes. I am going to install it step by step, and I have made a clear video for it too. So the website that we need to go in is tabla.com, and that's what I am in right now. And they are the masters in presenting you the data, and they presented their website really nice. The website is really very informative, and it has got a lot of details in a very understandable manner. So you can see that here it's all very neatly presented, and when I scroll down we get a lot of data. Why Tabla is there first, and they talk about Tabla, their customers, their community, the culture, all this, the data culture, all these are presented in a very neat way, and they are very interactive as well. The access options are very good. And the products, I discussed that already: solutions, resources, partners, and COVID-19. All these are presented in front of you, and you can try to access it. And they have listed their customers as well, and most of them are really eminent. And if you see that, we've got options here for downloading it for free and getting Tabla today. For buying options are also there, and we are going to go with the free trial options. And you can start your 14-day free trial by entering your business email ID, and when you click download free trial, you get the download started. And the download may take a little bit of time. It's a 454 MB file, as you can see here. It's a 454 MB file. It takes a little bit of time for the download, but once downloaded, the installation is really smooth, and it doesn't take much time. It's pretty easy for you to go ahead with it. But hold on, if you are a teacher or a student, you can go ahead with using 1 year free license. It's really an amazing feature, that amazing option that they have provided us, and you can use that option as well. So I have now clicked that option, and you can see that here student or teacher get a free 1 year license and learn more. Click learn more. The moment you click that, you get into the option page where you can fill your details and take this license free for 1 year. And free student license or free professor license, both are available. And once you do that, you can see that here we need to fill up the data. Free student license has to be clicked, and you need to give your data here. Which country do you belong to? First name, last name, email ID, confirm email ID, date of birth, which engineering school or school you are studying, and how are you going to use this? Are you going to learn it on your own, or is it a part of the course? So if you are an instructor, you can use the instructor license request page, which is presented just below this, and you can use that. And verify student status has to be clicked once you filled all the details, and that's it. You will get an email with the details for the license, and it's very easy. It's not going to be tough at all, and it's really very easy. And for teachers, yes, if you are a professor or an instructor, you can click this link and it takes you to the page where you need to request them with providing details, as in, are you going to request for individual license or core software? So you can choose the option between these two, and you can fill the details and you will get an email in a day or two. They are really very fast. I got a license in say about 24 hours time frame, and you can choose the option and click it, and you need to fill the details about the institution, where do you, which institution do you belong to, and you need to mention the purpose of using the Tableau desktop. Is it for teaching purpose? They have mentioned clearly there, and it's very easy for you to select it. Once you do that, you need to you need to submit it, and they will send you an email with clearly the instructions for installation, as well as the key will be presented to you. And make sure that you have your instructor profile ready. If not, you need to mail them that. It has to be in the web page, or you need to mail them that. Accept and submit option is there, where once you do that, you will get an email shortly. And all this process happens really nice, and they follow it up very nicely as well, and they give you a lot of resources. Let's go ahead with the installation right now. So I have already installed it, so I'm going to uninstall it for you so that we can see the process from the beginning. Let's wait for half a minute to see how does the uninstallation go on. Uninstallation is also faster, as you can see. We are going to install it again step by step, and the installation is really smooth. I tell you, one of the very important features that I found with Tableau was the first time access feel. When I accessed it for the first time, I did not feel like it is the first time that I'm accessing. It was so very friendly. So you can see that here, I'm installing it now. I have read and accept the terms of the license agreement. I need to give that. If you want not to send the product usage data, you can click that as well. You have a customize option available. Go ahead with it if you want to customize. Maybe a desktop shortcut, start menu shortcut. All these can be enabled or disabled, but I have not gone to it. I'm taking it to the default option. Now when you click install, it goes on installing, and the progress is happening right now. It takes about 1 minute maximum for you to install it, depending on the machine speed, and it's literally easier. Let's put it on wait for maybe half a minute. It takes about 1 minute totally for the installation process to be done. And once you install it, it may ask you to restart the machine at times. So in that case, please do a restart, and it's all very easy for you to do. Now you could see that the installation is almost done. And once it is done, the launch page will come next, which we will talk about in the next session. The options are really plenty, and it takes your data to a whole different level. Your data in the Excel sheet is going to be presented in a different level. I'm going to talk about the differences between Excel sheet, your traditional Excel versus the Tableau. I'm going to talk about it as well. In the meantime, please go through the documents that are available and the articles that are available in the website of Tableau. You can see that Dubai Airport identifies revenue streams with Tableau. That was an interesting article. I read it and it was really interesting. So now I think the installation will be over. Please go through these articles. That would be really helpful if you are planning to do a project and all. It will be helpful. And now you can register for it. They will ask you for the registration and activation. If you have a key already available with you, go ahead with it. Otherwise, you need to fill in all these details, and that's all. You are ready to use Tableau. The installation process is all done. It's pretty smooth and easy, I believe, and I hope you have understood it. Well, it's time for us to understand the difference between the Tableau and Excel. We are going to compare the Tableau with Excel. First, we are going to talk about why Tableau or why Excel. First, let's understand where Excel can be used. It is used for organizing, manipulating, calculating, and the data can be manipulated very well with Excel. But Tableau is all about representing, visualizing, understanding the insights from the data. Mostly used to view the data in the best way possible. It presents the data in the nicest way. That's what it is all about. Usage. The Excel is best suited for statistical analysis of structured data. Remember, statistical analysis of structured data. Tableau is really quick, and it's very useful for easy representation of the big data or voluminous data. The speed is moderate with Excel, and we can't do really much about it. Tableau is moderate with respect to speed, but options are there to optimize it. We'll talk about it a little later. Security, well, in Excel, it's not really appreciable. But when you come to Tableau, it has really good features related to security. Extensive and inbuilt security options are available, and it's really appreciable. Real-time access and usage, Excel is not that much responsive. You cannot get a real-time and responsive reaction with respect to Excel. But when it comes to Tableau, it's really real-time and really interactive. And you could feel it when I show you the demo. Ease of usage and coding skills requirement. Yes, you may have to know scripting as well as macros usage when it comes to Excel. No coding skill required when you come to Tableau. Suitable preferably for small scale data when it comes to Excel, but Tableau is suitable for big data and very big data. The business aspect when you talk about it, Excel is really useful for quick on-off reports, but Tableau when you talk about it is easy to use visualization option with more business insights. We are going to get a lot of business insights through that. What is the winning feature? What really makes Tableau or Excel really shine? Excel is all about manipulations and descriptive statistics, but Tableau is all about visual capabilities and big data handling capacity. So overall, if you see, the Tableau stands as the winner when you compare it with Excel. So we are going to learn more in the next session, and it's going to come shortly. I hope you like the session. In case you have questions, suggestions, please go ahead and type it in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. If you like the channel, the content, please to subscribe. Thank you very much.